Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new RingConn Gen 2. So this is the RingConn Gen 2, and it's basically a smart ring that helps you track your vitals like blood oxygen, heart rate, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's get to unboxing. I'm going to take out this top cover, and here we have the ring itself. So let me just show it. This is what it looks like. It's a nice silver. There are also other colors, as you can see on the box right here. And you have these few like biometric measurement tools. So let's just put away the ring for now, and let's see what's on this other side. Here we have a manual, just with some like instructions, and this is the charging case. So let's take it out. It's a nice, heavy, like metal, really good quality charging case, which you put the ring in here and it helps charge it, which is a pretty big charging case for such a small thing. But yeah, this is our charging case. And the other thing that we have is this nice braided cable. And just take it out. Looks like this. It is USB-C to USB-C, so you just connect it to your outlet and to here, and you just put your ring right into here. So you align these two gold parts right here with these two golden parts, like that. And it's going to start charging. So that's it. That's the unboxing. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.